Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use OTG or OTG pen drive in Vivo V23 smartphone. So without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, I have a OTG adapter. You need to insert the pen drive into the OTG adapter in order to connect the phone. Then I will connect the OTG pen drive into the phone Type-C USB port. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the SanDisk USB drive is available. For that, you need to click explore on that. Now choose files. So these are the files available in the pen drive. If you want to copy some files from the pen drive, you need to click and hold, then choose the three icons, then click copy to, then choose the phone. Now you need to click copy. Now the pen drive file is copied to the phone. So using the same method, you can copy the files from the phone to the pen drive also. So in order to eject the pen drive, you can't remove the pen drive directly. You need to click the eject. After only you can remove the pen drive. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.